So here we are on the website of solarthermal.com. It's a store of getting the equipment which are used on solar energy. This is the home page. You can see that there are very few products which are being sold by the client. Solar pool heating plate, flat plate collector, vacuum tube collector, solar thermal accessories. So let's open something, any product. Okay, under these things there are various products which are used these days. This is the green time. So under that there here, and we can let's try find it. And we should use to check out. The site is quite slow running. Oh, we have to provide a lot of information on the checkout page. Shipping methods. So the content on the site is a bit less and could enhance on that. The product may be more useful these days. There's so much going on. They could enhance the page by giving us more pictures of where they had installed their products and could show more reviews about their clients which had taken the products and are they happy or not, and they could give us the ratings they had earned from the market. Yeah, the site is a bit convenient to use. Everything is given clearly, but I think if the data is provided very less, they could give more information about their products and could have enhanced and make the website more attractive. Thank you.